Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the crown button. Keep holding it until you see the Huawei logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will see this screen, and basically what we need to do is to download Huawei Health application on our iPhone and use it to pair the devices together. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on search icon, tap on the search bar and type in Huawei Health. And then tap on search, scroll through the list of apps, find the Huawei Health application, tap on it, tap on the get button to download and install the app. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. After the application opens, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, notification permission. This is required if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm gonna allow it. Then tap on next, next, tap on let's go. And here we can allow and deny some permissions for the health features. Basically, you can allow the app to write the data for features here and read the data for features here. So you can adjust it to your liking. I'm just gonna tap on turn on all and tap on allow, but you can deny them, allow them, whatever you like. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the health page of the app. Tap on the devices icon, tap on add, tap on OK. This one is required the Bluetooth permission, so make sure to tap on OK. Tap on add again. The app should start scanning for the nearby devices, and as you can see, it detected our watch. Tap on link. Apparently I already have it in my Bluetooth settings, so let me quickly check. Yes, I do, so I'm gonna forget this device quickly. Okay, and basically when you tap on link, it should detect your watch. You can tap on the check mark to confirm, tap on pair, tap on allow. You can allow or deny the permission for the location, allow or deny the permission to contacts. And once you see this page, tap on done. And after you're done with the permissions, you should see the device page for your Huawei Ultimate. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.